Yay! To you. A little bit about me. A pet peeve of mine is when vloggers talk about stuff that they've done or talk about what they're going to do or have done instead of actually showing it, or they do both and just make things super redundant. So yeah, I'm not gonna be that vlogger that I don't like. Meyer black cherry one, but y'all know my favorite, Kroger. So yeah, I didn't do any apple cider vinegar or tea yet today. Well, I try to do that in the morning. I feel like it's given great results. Obviously, you guys seen, well, if you haven't seen it, kidney GFR numbers greatly improved. My last doctor's visit, meaning I was actually able to reverse slightly some kidney damage. Praise the living God, right? Amen. Yeah, it's a random Thursday. Very, very busy this morning at work. So I wasn't able to really break free until I started this video, which was probably around like 2 or 3. And during my lunch break at noon, I recuperated myself a little bit because it's been a bit stressful at work. We've had a major security incident with a breach of student and employee, well, mainly student data. Tell the people good night? No? Oh. I'm sleepy.
No.
You want some milk?
Yeah.
Just took my blood pressure and it's a little bit high. I don't remember if I actually took my meds or not. Should probably use my little notification that I set up in the health app on my phone to keep track of that. It's probably a good idea to do that. Well, I'm gonna test it again in about 30 minutes to an hour. Even though I'm very tired, it's like midnight, but the blood pressure 148 over 91, I think is what it said. Yeah, 148 over 91, which is not good. And I didn't even eat real bad today, so she will definitely be asleep by then. She's exhausted. She didn't even take a nap today. Like, we skipped the nap altogether, so she's gonna sleep very well tonight. and hopefully she'll sleep in her bed so that mommy can get some good rest. A bit annoying when they show previews and they basically show everything that's about to happen. I'm just like, why? I don't need to know everything that's about to happen. Like, I'm watching the show and I'm interested, so chill out. Bye. All right, peeps, I'm gonna call it a night. Blood pressure is going the right direction. It's not where I want it to be, but we'll take it. Catch y'all on the flip side. Be good, show love, give honor. Is that what my statement is? Oh, anyways, y'all know what I mean. God bless. Good night.